Intersection accidents happen fast. 1 second you have a green light, the next you are being hit from the side by a driver who ran theirs. Whether someone ran a red light, misjudged a left turn, or both drivers claim they had the right of way, you are suddenly dealing with injuries, a damaged vehicle, and an insurance company trying to pin the blame on you. At McCormick and Murphy, we know that intersections are some of the most documented locations on the road, with traffic cameras, dash cams, and signal timing records that can prove what really happened. With over 75 years of combined legal experience, our team of former insurance defense attorneys knows exactly how to fight back against insurance companies that try to reduce your settlement or deny your claim. Based in Colorado Springs and serving Pueblo, Pueblo West, Canyon City, and the surrounding region, we have been recovering millions of dollars for our Colorado clients since 1995. Colorado uses a modified comparative negligence rule, meaning the insurance company just needs to push your share of the blame high enough to reduce what they owe or deny your claim entirely. That is why evidence matters from day one. We send preservation letters immediately to secure traffic camera footage, request signal timing records, and gather witness statements before evidence disappears. If you or a loved one has been injured in an intersection crash in Pueblo, do not let the insurance company control the narrative. Call our team today at 888-668-1182 or visit us online at McCormickMurphy.com for expert legal support and a dedicated fight for your fair compensation.